Alright everyone, got a new toy for the yard. It's an Eco Power Plus mower here. Just delivered just a little bit ago. So let's get this open. Stuff on the top here. This looks like something like the bag part here. Got instructions. One of the batteries here. The chute, the grass chute thing. In fact, probably will use this. Here's the bag. This is the fast charger thing for the batteries. Another battery that the box is a little munched. And I don't know this is an extra blade or if it's or if it has to be put on. So I guess we'll find out. And a bag for some plates. I don't know what this is for. Yeah, those are extra blades because there is blades already on it, so let me show it. Alright, there it is. It does have the blades on it. The dual blade. It is starting to rain here, so alright, so that was easy. Battery stuff. Quick instructions on how to start the mower, all that kind of stuff. Extend the handles here. going to be easier to put this wire frame on first and then the bag. I don't know. Where does this even go? Actually not sure where this hooks into. Maybe like this. Yeah, just like that. Okay. And this way. Okay, so. Alright, now that I've got an idea of how it goes, take it back off of here. Okay, if I can, that is. Eesh. Yeah, well, I don't usually use the bag all that much anyways, but eesh, it's a pain in the ass to get the bag off. Alright guys, I got one of my other batteries that are charged up. I'm going to throw the others on the charger before I use them. But I wanted to give you guys a look at how easy it is to use, and also a little bit of cutting. But I'm not going to do the mowing today because it's starting to rain a little, so but right, so we got the mower that you can self-propel, which there's a bunch of things that you can do. Anyways, get the camera situated so you can see better. And I'll cut this little tiny bit of grass. Oof, okay, I think this will be the best view here as we're getting other things delivered. Okay, so let's go. So on this, how you do the cruise control, you set it this way is off, completely off here, and then you can, each click does it quicker, and of course all the way that way is the fastest. So I was confused at first. It's down, all the way down for the off, and then you just do clicks. And of course can't really show the lights, but it does have lights in the front that you can turn on. It has the panel to show you what the battery's doing, if it's getting hot and it's going to shut off soon. But yeah, how to start it, you do this button in the center first, and then pull down the cutter bar, and yeah, like I said, either of these buttons on here or the cruise control. And yeah, that's about it. And I think I'll put the that grass shoot in there too, and maybe show that. But yeah. Okay, so might have to move over to the main lawn to see if the grass shoot works or not. But I guess we'll find out. Over here. Alright guys, let's go over to the main yard so you can see better. And yay, my mom's got the dogs riled up on the neighbor's area. Yay, thanks Mom. Anyways, let's do the little bit here. Alright, so yeah, that's about as much as I'm gonna do. So I probably am going to just keep it as the mulch, just so that I don't have to like go through and yard debris it. So probably gonna just keep it. Well, and this is what you put in if you're gonna mulch. Use the mulch feature. So yeah, I mean, I have the option of having the grass spray everywhere or mulching, so probably just gonna keep the mulch feed this part in. So okay, so how the hell does this go in? I thought it just went in like this, but it's kind of okay. I don't know. I guess I'll have to figure that out off camera here. So all right, so yeah, that's pretty much. And I didn't even have it down there. But yeah, I'm kind of struggling to get this back in. I don't know. It's really weird. Okay. Maybe up like this. Ah, there we go. That's how you do it. Okay. So yeah. Not sure if I'll use this or not. I mean, it's nice to have in case the grass is really high. I guess I'll use this. But yeah, it's working pretty nice so far. So yeah, I'll do an outro to this. So I'll see you in a little bit. All right, so got everything done. Showed off pretty much everything. So yeah. Oh yeah, and there's an adjustment for the wheels too. It's on 1, which is probably the lowest. And it goes up to 8. But yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give a thumbs up or not. And yeah, hit the subscribe button if you want to. And I'll see you in the